On your grammar book, page number 33, we are given the rules and with examples. See, in the case of first rule, two or more singular subjects are connected by and. For example, we are having two nouns, two or more singular subjects are connected by. Sudha and her sister. One person here, one person here, and they both are connected by the conjunction and. And whenever we are having two persons and they are connected by the conjunction and, we consider it plural, means we are having two persons in this case, and we have used have. Two singular persons are given, means two singular subjects are given, and they have become two persons now, and we have used hence have instead of has. We will not use has. In the second case, two or more singular subjects preceded by each and every, means before these two singular subjects, if we are having every word or each word, means we are having man and woman, but both of them are preceded by every. It means the word each and every denote to every single person. We are going to consider in this sentence every single person. It means that the verb form that we will use will also be singular. Our subject is singular and the verb that is going to follow it will also be singular. In the third case, when two singular nouns refer to the same person or thing. For example, the has been used with one noun, one subject, dancer, and the singer. We haven't used the. It means dancer and singer is the same person. He is the dancer also, and at the same time he can sing also. How can we identify it? The article is used with the single noun only. We don't find any article here. So it means that the dancer and the singer, they are two skilled in one person only. So we have used the verb form is. The dancer and singer is dead, not are will be wrong. When two singular nouns refer to two distinct persons, for example, we are having, it is quite contrary to the first example, the example we have done previously, the director and the actor. The director, with the director we are having the, and actor, with the actor subject also we are having the. It means the director is another person and the actor is the other person. So we are having two persons, and with the two persons we are going to use the plural form of has. Plural subject, plural means more than one, and plural form of the verb has. What is the plural form of has? Have. So we have used have form. When two subjects together express one idea, for example, bread and butter, means we are going to swallow or eat bread in combination with the butter. Butter is going to be eaten with the bread. So it means they are identical. So one idea only, same idea. Law and order. If law is there, then it is quite obvious then order will be there. Order cannot exist in the absence of a law. So it means law and order are also identical. So when these kind of words are given together, then we are going to use a singular form, means bread and butter. Where there is bread, there will be butter also. It is going to be eaten together. And same law and order. Law, without law, order is not there. Without order, law is not having any value. So this will also be considered as a singular. So singular form of the verb is we have used instead of are. We haven't used are will be wrong. Two or more singular subject connected by or nor, either or means either or, neither nor, neither nor. Then if we are given these kind of conjunctions, subordinate conjunctions, then like we have done in the case of every man, each, every and each also denotes to the single person. And here also neither you means you only, and I will be separate only. So either, neither, they are also denoting to single person. So hence we have used the verb form singular. We haven't used verb will be wrong. And same in the case of second sentence, either Mohan or Anurag has resigned from the company, means they have resigned. We cannot use, it will be wrong. Either Mohan or Anurag has, it will be correct. Subject of different numbers connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor, subjects of different numbers. For example, Hema or her friends have made this painting, or as we have done in this case, but here the case is separate, as we are having one subject which is singular and the second subject which is plural. So what we are going to do, we are going to use plural form, as considering the second subject is plural, so we have used plural form of the verb. Same is the case here. Neither the director nor the employees are plural, so director is singular. If this this is an exceptional case in this rule. So if we are given this condition, then the verb will be according to the second subject. The second subject is plural, then the verb form will also be plural. So it will not be was, instead it will be were. Subject differing in number or person or both connected by and. Here we are having subject of different persons. You, he, I. I is first person, you is second person, he is a third person. Then how we are going to use the verb? To which subject we will see to write the verb? We will see the first subject. You are. Same is the case in the second sentence. You and he are repairing the car. He is the third person, you is the second person. So persons are different. So how we can identify which form of the verb we are going to use? So keep this thing in mind whenever we are having these kind of distinct persons in a singular in a single sentence as the subject, then we are going to use the verb according to the first subject. So you are repairing the car, you and he are repairing the car.